Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Monica, and in today's video I am going to be cleaning up around my house. As you just saw, it was pretty messy, and I did make a trip to Marshall's later on this afternoon, so I will be doing some spring decorating as well. I found some really cute items and I can't wait to share them with you. So I hope this video brings you a ton of cleaning motivation as well as some decorating inspiration. So let's just get right into the video, and I hope you all enjoy. So now I'm just going to be cleaning out my sink, and this just helps get rid of any type of stains or scuff marks or scratches. If you have a porcelain sink like mine, this works wonders. It just brightens it up. It makes it really nice and white again. And I use the soft scrub cleanser and a little bit of Dawn dish soap. I also like to sanitize my sink, and for that I do use bleach, and that also brightens up your sink. But if you want to sanitize it, make sure that you're using cold water. I just recently learned that. I have been using hot water, and I did not know that it pretty much defeats the purpose of the bleach, because it does something to the bleach to where it won't sanitize if you use hot water. But that is another tip for you if you want to brighten up your sink. So one of my last videos, I had asked what I could use to clean the disposal, and I did use a little bit of baking soda and vinegar, and that did freshen it up. But I found these at Target and I wanted to try them out. They are a disposal cleaner by Lemmy Shine, and it did foam up and I felt like it cleaned it, but I did not like the smell. It said it was a citrus smell, but it did not smell like citrus to me. I thought it smelled really gross. So I just went ahead and stuck one of my planks down in there. Those are lemon scented fresheners. They aren't cleaners. I don't think they're cleaners. They are just fresheners. But I used the cleaner, and then afterwards I used the lemon scented plank, and then my sink smelled really nice and fresh. So now I'm going to be cleaning off my countertops, and I will be using this product called Microban, and it does claim to kill all sorts of bacteria and viruses. It even claims to kill the coronavirus. I was kind of pointing that out. I don't think you guys can see that, but this stuff works wonders. It's definitely not a natural cleaner, so just keep that in mind. I did use gloves when I cleaned with this, and I don't prepare food directly on the counters either, but lately with the sickness going around, I really wanted to make sure everything was nice and clean and sanitized, and I just used a one of my rags that I use for cleaning, and it's a flour sack cloth or a flour sack towel. I buy these at Walmart in the packs, and then I just cut them up in quarters, and these work amazingly to clean with, and they don't leave any type of lint behind.
Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips so I know what you'll say.
If you are visiting my channel for the very first time today, I would love to say welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly hope that you consider subscribing. I do a lot of cleaning and decorating here, and I would absolutely love to have you. I would also love it if you stopped by in the comments just to introduce yourself and say hello. I love getting to know everybody.
It can't be over.
So now that this part of my kitchen is all clean, I'm just going to be starting my essential oil diffuser, and the scent that I am using here is called Joy, and it is by a brand called Woolsey's. Smells amazing. It is part of a romance collection. I got it during Valentine's Day, and I absolutely love every single one.
Any longer, I will forgive your flaws if you're forgiving mine. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away?
So I like to keep this little room spray right here on my counter by my sink, and I love the way this smells. It has like a lemon scent to it, and sometimes I'll spray it down in my disposal just to freshen things up. And I got it from Trader Joe's. I love, love, love the way it smells. And yeah, that's what I was showing you there a second ago. And then I'm just filling up this dish soap container dispenser, and I used the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap in honeysuckle for that.
It can't be over, over.
So as you can see, I still haven't done anything with my table. I am thinking that I might go dark, but I am still not 100% sure. So right now I'm just kind of leaving it bare, but I will be cleaning it off with the Method Wood for Good cleaner, and it is an almond scent, and it is definitely one of my favorite wood cleaners.
Look at me, I'm fine here without you. I can see that you're doing pretty well too. I guess we're good at pretending. Can't you see I've nowhere to hide now? Let's agree to figure this out right now. Unless we both decide to let it go before we even try. I know we got a losing head, but I want you to understand that this ain't got nothing on me and you. No matter how badly that we've been bruised, and maybe we can still be friends. Our story doesn't have to end. I'm sorry we got out in such a hurry. We went to the bottom, but it was worth it. Maybe we could still be friends. I wonder why I'm lying awake here. It would be a crime to
So before I get to the decorating part of this video, I'm just going to run the vacuum, and I don't know if you guys noticed what just happened there, but I did switch my vacuums out. I was using a vacuum with a light on it, and that was a vacuum by Lavoie. I do get asked about that quite a bit, but the battery ran out, so I went ahead and used my Dyson to finish the rest of the house.
matter how badly that we've been bruised, and maybe we can still be friends. Our story doesn't have to end. I'm sorry we got in such a hurry. We went to the bottom, but it was worth it. Maybe we can still be friends. Maybe we could still be friends.
So now that everything is all clean and just the way I want it, I am going to start with some decorating. So I made a trip to Marshall's and I picked up a few Easter/spring items, and they had so many cute things out. I wanted to get everything, but I found these pillows and it's a pack of 2 for $19.99, and I loved that it had that ticking stripe on the back that's like that gray and white, and then it was like a toile Easter pattern on the front. And I am going to use these 2 throw pillows for my sofa right here in the family room.
I know we got a losing hand, but I want you to understand that this ain't got nothing on me and you. No matter how badly that we've been bruised, and maybe we could still be friends. The story doesn't have to end. I'm sorry we got out in such a hurry. We went to the bottom, but it was worth it. Maybe we could still be friends.
I have been looking for a pillow to put on this couch right here in the front room. This is the living room area, and I found one that would fit perfectly on here. It was $16.99, and it was a very good quality pillow. It had that down or the feather fill, which I absolutely love, and I love that it had like a little bit of a writing script on it, and then it had the bunnies in the same color of the pillows that I have on the far sides, and I just think this looked absolutely beautiful and it fit perfectly on this couch.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine.
So another thing that I found when I was at Marshall's was this 3-pack of these carrots, and they were $6.99 a pack. I ended up getting 2 of these. I thought they were so adorable. They also had them in an orange color as well, but I wanted to go with the yellow. I thought the yellow would look so much better than the orange with the lavender that I have up here, and I just thought they looked so cute between these 2 bunnies sitting here on my mantle.
I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep.
I decided to place the other set of carrots right here in this bowl with this lavender and this little mini cutting board that I have in here, and I thought that it looked perfect, and I thought just the carrots and just this whole little, it almost looked like an arrangement to me, but I think it just brought some color to this corner over here in my kitchen. So I also picked up these super cute salt and pepper shakers, and they were $3.99 for the pack, and I thought these were absolutely adorable, and I have a feeling I'm going to be using a lot of bead decor come summertime, but I just thought they looked cute, and again, I loved that little tiny pop of yellow, and I thought it looked really adorable on my table. So the last thing that I'm going to show you is this little container, and it was $12.99, and it just has the 2 bunnies on the sides, and I thought that it matched really well with the bunny that I already have sitting by my sink with the little plant on it. And then I just took a candle that I had previously bought a while ago. It's like a lemon scented candle, and then I just placed some moss around the bottom, and it worked out perfectly, and it looked really beautiful, and this candle smelled really, really good. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that it brought you a ton of cleaning motivation as well as some decorating inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate every single one of you, and I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. See you in the next one. Bye.
I can hear the raindrops fall. It's cold.